How long have you let them believe you're weak? You, the one reading these words, pulse racing, breath shallow. The one who's mastered the art of folding yourself into shadows to avoid their gaze. You think they don't? No? They see the cracks in your armor. The way your voice shakes when you say, "I'm fine." The way you choke down your rage like it's poison. They've mapped every scar, every doubt, every sleepless night you thought no one noticed. And they use it. Like a butcher uses a blade. Like a puppeteer uses strings. But here's what they'll never tell you. You're not their victim. You're their reckoning. And reckoning doesn't knock. It explodes. You want the truth? Let's peel back the lies. Failure isn't a stepping stone. It's quicksand. Every no drowns you deeper. Every betrayal carves another pound of flesh from your bones. The world isn't cruel. It's indifferent. Your bank account? A monument to someday. Your friends? Vultures circling the corpse of your potential. Your dreams? Gathering dust in the attic of your fear. And loneliness? Loneliness isn't empty beds or silent phones. It's screaming into a void and realizing you've forgotten your own voice. Pause. Let the horror resonate. You've been sold fairy tales. Just be patient. Karma will balance the scales. Lies. The universe doesn't care about karma. It bows to those who take, not steal, not cheat. Take. Like a hurricane takes a coastline, like fire takes a forest. No apologies, no permission. I know you. The way you rehearse conversations in the shower, rewriting every word you wish you'd said. The way you starve yourself of joy because you think you don't deserve it. The way you cry in parking lots, fists clenched, screaming into the steering wheel until your throat bleeds. You've loved people who treated your heart like a trash can. You've bled for causes that wouldn't spit on you if you burned. And what did it earn you? Scars. But not the kind that fade, the kind that fester. Voice shatters. You're not broken, you're a live wire. And it's time to electrocute everything that dares need you. You think your silence makes you noble? You think suffering in secret makes you strong? You're a joke. A punchline they tell at parties while sipping your tears like champagne. Your comfort zone is a lie. Your safety is a slow motion execution. You're not trapped. You're complicit. Every time you bite your tongue, every time you let them belittle your hunger, every time you trade your fury for their approval, you're building their throne. With your bones, with your blood, with the pieces of your soul you keep handing them like gifts. Stop. Or kneel forever. Here's your redemption. Let them think you've given up. Let them toast to your demise. Let them graffiti their insults on your coffin. And while they're dancing on what they think is your corpse, move. Silent, relentless, ruthless. Wake before the sun. Train until your muscles scream. Study until your eyes bleed. Become a shadow, a ghost, a myth. And when they finally see you, when their laughter dies in their throats and their smug grins rot into terror, don't flinch. Don't explain. Don't celebrate. Just stand there. Let the weight of your silence crush them. Let the ferocity of your resolve gut them. Let them spend the rest of their lives wondering how they ever underestimated you. This isn't motivation. This is a declaration of war. When they beg, "How did you do this?" Step into the light. Let your shadow swallow them whole and say, "You taught me."